That was Vicki Wynn reporting. A lot of opinions and commentary, I think, between the three of us on some of those sleeping takes.
Well, we're old enough to care about sleep.
Yeah,
but
it's an important part.
I also think the headband thing is interesting because, first of all, you got to be in a relationship if you're going to start wearing that. Like, you can't have somebody come over and you're like, just hold on,
hang on a second.
hold on. It's bad enough. A mouth guard's bad enough. I already wear one of those.
Well, maybe you can skip a night, you know.
Yeah.
That's right.
Then you won't be able to sleep. We also agreed unanimously that we thought 67 to 72 was like warmer than we want.
Way
the
too
room to
warm
be.
for sleeping.
Warm.
But yeah, I already killed our time with the talking nerds to me, so let's move on. 53 in Portland today, 59 in Sanford. Mild, more widespread, right? Yesterday was mild over the southern part of the state, but this got into central Maine. Bangor didn't quite get to 50, but 49, close enough. We had some gusty winds still out there, 30 miles an hour or so out of the south, and that made it feel a little bit cooler, but generally when it's that mild, it's kind of a spring-like wind. It's not a northwest wind or anything like that. Some showers starting to work their ways into the mountains right now. This is a cold front, so it will be mostly rain shower activity. I don't think there's much snow to be had here. Coming through and then dying out as it moves downhill. About 9, 10 o'clock tonight, we could see a shower in Augusta and into Lewiston and down to Sanford too. But most of us, what we notice is temperatures drop the second half of the night, and by tomorrow morning we're in the 20s. Some teens and even single digits into the mountains, so significantly colder tomorrow. It's a bright day, especially the first half of the day, but it feels like a different season, only staying in the 30s. Maybe we get to 40 briefly over southern Maine. Clouds increase in the afternoon tomorrow into tomorrow night. A snow shower is possible tomorrow night into early Thursday morning. I put it in the 7-day. I don't think there's a lot of that going on, but there could be a quick flurry. And then Thursday's a largely cloudy day with temperatures in the upper 30s to around 40 degrees. We try to warm things back up Friday and into the weekend. Friday actually looks like a pretty nice day in the mid 40s, even some upper 40s with a mixture of sun and clouds. The weekend forecast is, it's definitely spring-like. It's just a question of how much sun we're going to get. And I don't think there's a ton of that around. Saturday, we have a chance of some sun maybe on the northwest side of the mountains and into New Hampshire. I think most of the state, though, as far as population goes, will be cloudy but mild on Saturday. And then Sunday, we wait for this front to approach. Most of that comes in Sunday night, but there will be some scattered showers ahead of that during the day on Sunday, and then the front may linger on Monday. So St. Patrick's Day is still a little bit up for debate. There could be some showers along the coast, but it may be drier inland, but we've got a few days to kind of work that part of it out. I think the general vibe of the weekend is going to be, again, spring-like, melting, muddy, but maybe not all that much sunshine to go around, and then we stay mild, it looks like, into Tuesday with temperatures there in the mid-40s. So nothing really that I see that gives me another snowstorm in the next 10 days or so, which will have us into mid-March, which is still, we got
It's time for change.
Still got time, but in the meantime, it's definitely fairly mild.
All right, Keith.